Alrighty, so we are starting off in the basement. We are just underneath the steps here. There's our clean out and basement, upstairs, and front door. So really nice and convenient clean out. So you can see here we do have some new concrete here. So we're curious as to what's going on in here. So we're going to go ahead and put our camera in and see what we've got going on in the sewer line. Now, the house has been vacant for a little bit, so I made sure to run some water before hopping the line. That way, if there's any bellies or low points, that they will hold the water so we can make sure that everything is caught here. Looks like we do have a little bit of settling on the inside, holding some water, but it is crystal clear. We're going to go ahead and push out to the transition point here. Hopefully, that low point isn't slowing things down too much. I doubt it is because we don't have any standing debris and the water again is crystal clear. So we have our transition point back here at 28 feet. We're going to go ahead and flush the downstairs toilet, improve flow. It's very nice flow over the joint here. No visible leakage or offsets, flow restrictions at the transition point. I'm going to go ahead and check out the exterior line to the city tap connection. Alright, it looks like we've got our main connection here at 62 feet. We do have some grading loss here. We're going to go ahead and flush another toilet, show flow here, and then we're going to go ahead and measure everything out and make our recommendations from there. Alrighty, so we could see how the water filled up, actually backfilled towards the low point, and then slowly drained out. And here, now that we don't have the camera displacing as much water or pushing through it, you can actually see that the water level is holding steady here at 60 feet. So we're going to go ahead and start our measurements here. So our low point is about 9 feet in length, which is sort of the borderline. We're going to go ahead and get this marked up because it is slowing down flow pretty significantly out here. Alrighty, got our points located, so we're going to go ahead and pull back and double check the rest of our work. Now, that water level is going to drop as I move through it, as my camera displaces and pushes water through. Do have a pretty flat line from 41 feet to 47 feet. Nothing worth repairing. It is grading loss, but it is something to be aware of. I would highly recommend never flushing those flushable wipes or wipes of any sort or any other non-flushables. Flushable wipes may say flushable on the container, but they do not break down in any meaningful amount of time. Using them here in the line's current condition could be a recipe to have a backup. Outside of the low point at the end of the line, the rest of the line appears to have good pitch and graded flow with intact joints and no offsets or root intrusion.